Grabe ang ulan kagabi. So it's been raining all night and it looks like there's a real storm. So let me show you around. So look what's the place is it. So it's really wet on the floor. Basa kayo. So tanan tong gawas kay mong baha naman. So, grabe din ang lugar no. Tuki. Ano ko ba ikop? So nakita din ito kung sa taas ang baha sa kuan no. So it's very flood in our sa sundo nun sa amo. Tipo ako trabaho. Gusto kayo baha. Gamit na sila sa kinan kaya baha man. Balik na siguro kunja. So nga nakalisod ang amang problema dari. So we'll continue vlogging if the flood is gone because it's really flooding here. Hi! Chari, it's really flooding and I have a bat. Ihubag ang lubot tungod sa pidikab gahapon nga. So toy lang kalit sa kita kayo hubag dito. So yeah, stay tuned in this video guys.
Another hour just slipped away. Sorry to tell you when I haven't all this time. Maybe if I wear it on my face, someone else will let you know I'm not alright with nothing to lose.
Ngit-ngit guys. Ay nako. So it's been 2:05 in the afternoon. So I didn't go to work because it's still raining. Mas mahadlok ng puko kay basi mo baha. So basi mo baha diri so manang wala na lang puko ni padayon pag trabaho jud kay hapon naman pud hap dira nya mo ra gihapon ako sweldo gamay ra gihapon. So di man sayong nareklamo ko sa sweldo. Nag-advance lang ko ba. Nagkuha na po ko nga nag-advance ko. So ganihan nalimpyo ko sa kinan nya nangaon pud ni. So taas kang process. So moadto ganito ko sa radio station ng taron. Gawan ako kadto kay unsa na oras alas 2 na kapin. So I think I'll update you na lang if what manggani or if I ended the video here. So see you in the next video na lang. So see you in the next video because naghambag ito mga problema dire. So akong product day guys, no, ako dahil introduce niyo akong product. So this is my coffee shop, coffee grapes. So muna siya mga product na po except for sliced bread na ako. So muna siya mga product guys. Gamit kayo ni immune ni mo labi jud kaayo siya immune. So coffee grapes palit na mo. So ano ko, so ma-update lang ko ninyo unya kung unsa man gani ang mahitabo dire sa balay. So I will update you later. Bye. So update. So update tayo ngayon at ako ay iihi muna. So update tayo ngayon guys. So update. It's been a 5:25 in the afternoon. So my name is Jelson and welcome the last part of the video. So I didn't going anywhere because I will blab if I will going somewhere. So I didn't go somewhere and I stay at the home. So tomorrow it's the last day of the work because Saturday and Sunday was my day off. So I hope you're enjoying my my vlog today. So this is Jolstrin once again, and see you guys in the next, or see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.